Hi, I'm Valerie Garston, and I am a brand new Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I received my starter kit. So I am going to go ahead and open up my starter kit and show you all the cool stuff that I got in my kit. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we're just going to move this aside. Lots of good packing to protect. I've got my contents, my list. I'm going to put that aside right now. And then I'm going to move this box over, move it over so that we can take a look at actually what's in here. Okay, this looks like it's a business kit. Hold on, part of the business side of it. Let me open it up and see what it is. This is so exciting. All right, what is this? Okay, so this is kind of the directions, like it looks like brochures in here to help me out and some paperwork, and this is kind of a cool little folder. Okay, we'll put that aside. And then I received some thank you invites. And right now we're on SaleABration, so I've got a package of SaleABration catalogs, which you can find this online also on my website. Okay, some more business stuff. This is brochures on joining Stampin' Up! And the benefits of that. We also have mini catalogs, quite a few of them. And this is a catalog that is good from January 2021 to June 2021. So there's all kinds of fun stuff in here. I've already looked at this. You can see that online also. Okay. Then let's see what's in. There's a box inside the box. These are catalogs, the yearly catalog. So Stampin' Up! Has a catalog that runs, a main catalog that runs from June to June. And so this catalog is good until this June. And so I have a whole box of these. We're going to put those just over here. Then they do a mini every 6 months. And in January and February of this year, we have this SaleABration, which is all free stuff. Every $50 you order out of this catalog, the mini or the main, there's really fun things in here that you get for free. So that's really exciting. This runs until the end of February, and then as I understand it, there'll be another 2 months of a new SaleABration in, I think, July and August, and that's new this year. Now, in this starter kit, I also receive a free paper pumpkin. This kit the paper pumpkin is a monthly subscription that Stampin' Up! Offers, and it has everything you need inside of it. I will be doing a class or a video on just what's inside this box, so stay tuned so that you can see what you can do with this. Okay, and then I also, right now in SaleABration, oh, here, I forgot these. I got order forms. So order forms, but people can just order online too. But if I want to, we can go ahead and do paper orders. Now, another thing that right now with SaleABration you get with a starter kit, and this is free. This is about a $60 value are 5 paper packs, 6x6 paper packs, and these are the color families. Stampin' Up, one of the great things that they do is they color match all of their accessories, ribbons, inks, markers, and paper. And then they also have like specialty paper. So they have plain cardstock or specialty papers. This is called DSP, Designer Series Paper. And so because I joined during SaleABration, I get 6 for free, which is really exciting. This also, I have to say, is a $22 kit that I have included with my starter kit also. Now, the rest of my starter kit, I was able to pick out $125 worth of products, and the starter kit, all of this, including what I picked out on my own. These are all standard, come to everybody, but the additional stuff, I paid $99 and I got $125 worth of product. I have to admit, I did not order the most exciting stuff because I put in an order right after for kind of more fun stuff. But this is basic stuff that I ordered. So I've got 2 packages of the brand new basic white paper and a package of the very vanilla paper. I know that I'll use a lot of these. I also got a combo pack of the neutrals. So this is a couple of sheets of each of the neutral cardstocks, and these will pair great with these to start making cards. I also ordered 1 package of the 12 by 12, turned it upside down, 12 by 12 neutrals, and so this has all the different colors in it. The cool part about Stampin' Up paper is it is, the color goes all the way through the paper. Some papers, when you purchase them at the store, will have just the top layer, and the center or the core of the paper is actually white. And that's not the way that Stampin' Up cardstock is. So that's one of the things I absolutely love. The other thing that I got was I chose to get a package of the neutral inks. So these are the ink pads, which I will demonstrate in a later video. These are really great for doing sentiments. They're and they work with all of the other color families. Next, I ordered a Whisper White. This is a heavier ink and can be used when you're embossing or using other things. It's a really solid white, and then I also have the refill for it, the ink refill. So all of the Stampin' Up inks have refills that you can order to go with them, so that when the ink starts kind of, being used up, you can still use the ink pad by using the refill. The last item in this box is to my hostess. This is so that I can help a hostess plan parties and get their guests organized. And I will be able to put together hostess packets and invite people to have parties. I'm also learning, so I can do this in the home after COVID's done, after that's a thing that we can do again. But I will be having parties online. So if that's something that you're interested in, contact me, and I will be figuring that out in the next couple weeks. So this is an incredible deal here. All of this I received for $99. I could have picked stamp sets and suites. They have suites available where it's some designer series paper, some cardstock, ribbon, embellishments, the stamps, everything that would go together that you could make a stamp set with. And but I chose to go with these things. So stay tuned. So this is what a starter kit can look like. The cool part is you can customize your own. These starter kits allow you to to choose what kind of demonstrator you'd like to be. You could be a hobby demonstrator where you take advantage of the 20% discount that you get. Now that I'm a demonstrator, I get a 20% discount, and you just kind of buy for yourself. You can also maybe invite some friends over every once in a while and have them order, and that will kind of subsidize your hobby. You also could become a demonstrator that does maybe a class or 2 classes a month. Just invite friends over and see where that goes. Or you can actually create a business with this. And that's my intention, is to make this into a business. If you have any questions or you would like to know more about becoming a demonstrator, please contact me. Please consider liking and subscribing. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and put it down in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.